beautiful day and make the most of it.
We're gonna play our final number for you now, and it's a song called Bumbye. This is if you're not from here in Hawaii, you may have never heard this word before. So just in case, I don't know who is visiting out there, but Bumbye is a pidgin English word created right here in Hawaii when we were in the plantation days. And I guess a lot of people from all over the world came here to Hawaii to work in the plantations, and they spoke all different languages. So in order to communicate, they created this Creole English, this pidgin English that we still speak today. And the Bumbye was one of those words. I can imagine that it was very popular, especially like for husbands and wives. Yeah, yeah.
I guess I say that a lot, yeah?
Yeah, yeah.
She tells me what to do a lot, and then I answer with Bumbye.
Bumbye is a word that means later on. For our friends visiting from Japan, it's a word that means atode, same meaning. And so Kellen often says it, almost daily.
It's like
yes.
it's a knee-jerk reaction. Before I can even think of something else to say, Bumbye.
This song was written by our very dear friend Dr. Hale Nogomeyer, who I understand just last night was inducted into the Hawaiian Music Hall of Fame.
Ooh, last night.
Yes, and he last year he was awarded the Haku Mele Award at the Nahuku Hano Hano Awards for the Hawaiian Language Song Composition of the Year for this song, and we have the extreme honor of being able to perform and we have recorded this song. It's the title track of our third album, and it's a song called Bumbye.
I'd like to bring up Frankie again. We're so lucky. Somebody came up to us earlier and asked us, is there any hula in your show? And I said, no. Not that I know of. So this is awesome. Mahalo, Frankie. Song called Bumbye. Kupaoa, Bumbye, Bumbye, Makapuna na pumehana o aloha, ulumono e kapulua, ike kili hune ua o ko ike no eo, mohala mai lako le hua. Bumbye, ike ana auia, oe Bumbye, kili o ka ua. Bumbye, ko mahaku maono e Bumbye, aia awanei, o ko po'ona ni ka mo haku ala ke, ka ko I ia ka manao, ame ka olu olu e pane ea e, ka pea I mamake o e ia. Bumbye, ike ana auia, oe Bumbye, kili o ka ua. Bumbye, ko mahaku maono e Bumbye, aia awanei. Haina ia mai ana ka puana, ke koine o ka Bumbye. Haina o mai me ke aloha, ko ula nia inoa. Bumbye, ike ana auia, oe Bumbye, kili o ka ua. Bumbye, ko mahaku maono e Bumbye, aia awanei. Bumbye, Bumbye, Bumbye. Bumbye, Bumbye, Bumbye. Bumbye, Bumbye, Bumbye. We'll see you folks, Bumbye. Mahalo nui, aloha.